you are new here, welcome. My name is Cheri. I post new videos every week, and today I have another cooking video for you. You guys seem to be loving these, and tonight for dinner we're having a vegetable soup with meatballs, and I thought that cornbread would go very nicely with it. And I remembered that I found the recipe for the cornbread from Disney's Hoop-de-Doo review at Fort Wilderness. We've actually never eaten there. We've had reservations there, and for whatever reason it never worked out. So I can't taste test it to compare it to the real cornbread, but I am gonna make it, and the recipe is super simple. So I've already measured my dry ingredients. I have cornmeal, flour, sugar, salt, and baking powder, and I have already combined it, mixed it. And to that I am going to add my eggs. There's 2 eggs in here, milk, and vegetable oil, and it says just to mix to combine. So let's go. Okay, so it is now combined. That was super simple. It took like a minute to combine it, and I'm going to put it into a prepared 13 by 9 baking dish. This is a Pyrex. If it looks like your grandmother's, it probably is, because this was my grandmother's. So I'm gonna bake it in here. I've already sprayed it with Pam, so. Okay, that was it. I'm gonna pop it into a 375-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes.
20 minutes later.
Okay, so the cornbread is done. It came out of the oven. It looks beautiful. It smells pretty good. Let's cut it and see how it is. It's pretty good. It's not the sweetest cornbread I've ever had. Of course, I don't have any butter or honey on it, but it is pretty delicious. If you're a cornbread fan, or of course a Disney fan, or even if you've been to Hoop-de-Doo review before and tried the cornbread, I highly recommend you try this recipe. It is super easy to make and really delicious. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would love for you to subscribe if you have not already. I post new videos every week. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!